my shoe? Where is my clothes? Baby, my salary, I want to marry.
The program we watch right now the program what they call Area Tori on Procyon Radio and Television. And I deal with Grace Adebayo.
My area people, hello to everybody.
I also deal with Gloria Enoch.
I great to now.
I beg if you just watch us for the very first time, make una subscribe, make una like, make una share this particular video. And this program, if una get story where una want give us, make una just send them to our number. The number. If una get story where una want send to us, we will go talk for this area story, make una call this number 080-97-991-989. Now the number be that if una want reach us. And then we there for social media, different social media handle. We there for YouTube, we there for Instagram, we there for TikTok, we also there for Facebook, and we there for different social media handle. If now want get us now, we'll just type Procyon RTV. Now will get us. For our news, we also there for www.procyonnews.com. Now will get us there. I beg, make una like, share, subscribe. And make una also the day with us for our program. God will bless now and do so. The topic what they carry come today now, the topic will be say, day your own, make I day my own. For some time. Day your own, make I day my own. This story where they carry come given and now the story of husband and wife.
Okay.
Will be say after their wedding, they just born one pikin. And as they born that one pikin, the woman come discover say the things wey the man dey do for her no be him she come dey see after the
Marriage.
After the marriage, the misunderstanding don start small.
Okay.
Then when she come born, na im the thing come plenty. The man come dey look am like say na responsibility dey for my head o. You know say some men if they wan enter into marriage, they no know say na responsibility go dey their head. So this particular man now, he can't discover say the responsibility be like say it's too much. He can't worry the wife. When he can't they buy baby things, like that, the thing can't too much for the man. So before you know it, when the woman born like this, now only bread the man will give her money for say take buy bread. So now she know the kind bread where she go buy. If she say na big size she won't buy, now she sabi because no money for milk and other things wey she go take drink tea. So you go give her money, and that money I no wan mention am because e too small. Abi make I mention am please?
If you mention am, I mean I dey very very interested, especially for this kind period wey we dey so. Go good make we know the kind money.
The man go carry 200 naira give her.
Hey, wait.
Meaning that if you give her 200 naira,
Okay.
if you buy bread of 100 or 120,
Or 150.
woman wey dey breastfeed pikin, you understand? He don go be
Chop am
that.
with water.
He go come leave the woman for house, waka go. So when the woman come see say the thing don dey too much for her, say how I go take the eat only this bread, come dey wait for this man till when this man go come back because foodstuff no come dey for house again according to wetin she dey talk. Say foodstuff no come dey for house again. So as she come see say the thing come bad like that, if the man comot, she go carry her pikin go her mother house. So you know say anyhow wey she go her mother place, she must eat in the afternoon, in the evening, before the man go come back. Then she go come back. When the man come discover say she dey go her mother place, he come happy now. Because thank God. So no worry, me myself I go dey drop you for your mother house. Yes. So he go come carry the woman early in the morning like say she dey go work. Go drop for the mother place. Then the mother come tell her say sit down, make I ask you wetin dey happen. Now the girl come tell her say, mama, see wetin I dey see o, I be no wan talk. Now the mother say, why? This guy get the money o, no be say he no get the money. But na out of say how only him go dey take responsibility. Say she too, she need to contribute to the family. So now the mother come say, if na like that, so e no go work. She call the guy sit down. Now the guy say, no, you know, sure say go fit dey take that kind responsibility. Say, mama, abi you know see say I dey also carry her go your place. At least she go dey a little bit comfortable for Now the lady look say, now the same way they talk with that, okay, if not so. Dey your own for now. Make me a day my own. Make everybody they think of in life. If you prepare to really say you want marry, then I will come back. Me too, if I prepare, think well, say I will feel go back to your house. Wow. Then now be the Tori when we say dey your own, make I dey my own for now.
Okay.
Dey your own, I dey my own.
So, dey your own, make I dey my own. Well, it is well. Marriage no be play. Marriage no be say na something be say person go actually just wake up say I wan marry. Marriage no easy. E no easy because you go carry another person, come keep for your house. You ready to take care of anything wey that person wants. If God help you, if that person dey work, she fit dey bring the small one, make una join hands together, do all the things una suppose do together. But if the person no get work and you see her like that, you gree say you go marry her, come bring her, so take God come bless una with pikin. Wetin come do wey no go take on responsibility? If the work wey you dey do, if na maybe in a day, or let me say in a month, maybe all your total income wey you dey get, maybe na 10,000 naira, you just try to make your wife or your partner understand, okay, this is what I gain, this is what I have, and then you'll be able to live within that amount. But say that you don't want to take any total responsibility, if you're not woman just go into the marriage at all. And the woman on her own part, she have actually even tried. For me, she have tried. The reason because she will not want to starve herself, and that was what make her to start running to her mom, to her mother house. Then you now take it as an opportunity. Hey, you will carry her and then you go and drop her. Hey, I don't know the word to use for that kind man. No. You ready to take on responsibility. When the responsibility come, you can't they fear, you can't they dodge them again. Why now? Why? And then for me, for the woman wey talk say she make she day, make him day, make she day her day. I'm telling you, I support her.
You support her?
I support her.
So Gloria.
Hey, na marriage, as they call am, na marriage.
Okay.
Because we dey hear when dem dey talk, say what God has joined together,
Let
make
no man
another
put
thing no
asunder.
enter middle. She separate them. This one, na dem use their mouth separate themselves. Dey your own, I dey my own. So, and na the man, na him start am. You wey go carry person pikin.
Oh.
Before you go even start say you wan marry, you go know say you don mature enough. You go know say the work wey you do go fit carry you and your wife. And you know say anyhow pikin go enter. You go put am for plan now. You go just get up like that, just waka say you wan marry, go carry person pikin, come put for your house. You born pikin, you no fit give am food. Na share food, 200 naira. Wetin you wan make you buy na cocoa? Na cocoa you go drink. Even 200 no buy cocoa now with bread. Sugar dey wey dem go put. And nothing dey house wey she go take make her take support. You never do well. And when she stop, you say to find, and she get sense say make she dey run to her mother house. You go say don comot load for my. You never comot load for your head o. Na your wife, na you marry am. The load na you get to carry.
E can't be like saying a mistake you make.
E can't be like saying a mistake you do. Even you do mistake, no one push you go. Now you do. Okay, you for even tell her say to I no do again. Make them separate. Go tell the parents say I don't bring una pikin come back. Come jump people again like that. Go pack am. Pack the things. Go drop them. Say I no want your pikin again.
Why you go even
for
say
my
you
area? I
don't
don't see
after she don born for her?
Me, I don't see. For my area like that, the girl born two boys. Now so the man gather them with the pikin, with the everything, the children. Drop for their domot, say bang bang, say to I no do again, see your pikin. Like that, good man, the mother go collect the pikin. Skip. You go not see go get husband. But this one, you no talk say you no marry again. Make you dey your own, because you no want carry load for house. You no want carry the load of marriage. You no want carry the load of baba and pikin. You no want take care of the wife.
This person where are they even
now wicked man.
Make una also understand. Say I tell you, say him the driver inside car. go drop for the mother.
He get money.
You get motor,
No
you
be
get
say
money.
no get
No be
money.
say
No be see no leg, no be see no get, and you get.
Okay.
You one wicked
You
hand.
understand?
Now wickedness
no
now.
be say
This
you
kind
no get.
person now, the way
Na
me
wickedness, na
the
you
way
get
me
the money.
we call the view am.
Mm.
Na all these kind stingy people.
Yes.
Wey be say and then stingy at the same time e dey selfish.
Mhm.
Do you understand?
Mm.
Everything wey he get,
Na
you
him.
wan enjoy am alone.
Yes,
You
you
no
wan enjoy am
ready.
alone.
You no
Only him.
ready to share am even to the extent of
The wife.
the wife and the pikin wey
Child.
you marry. That kind of person na even the family member they no go fit smell am
Mhm.
at all they no
Yes,
go fit
na.
smell am. So if you date this kind of situation be say you get this kind of house wey be say you are stingy and then you think of yourself alone. Then just so that you cannot build a world all by yourself alone. You need everybody. You need people around you. And if you have today, e no mean say you go get am all through.
Forever.
Remember say
Tomorrow,
you wey
You fit
get
fall.
yeah you wey get today if you extend to other people, you extend to your hands to other people, even if you fall you
Another
have
person
thousands
will
of
carry
people
you
They
up.
will
to
raise
fall
you.
back on.
That's
And
it.
as he's even complaining say make the wife make ma make she dey do anything, make she dey do something, kukuma open business for her, open shop for her.
In the way he take rush this woman,
Oh my
the
god.
woman just dey serve that time.
No.
Oh my god.
You understand? She just dey serve
Selfish
as
man.
copper. He no dey patient to wait. He say no, he wan marry her. So he marry her as she dey serve finish. Na him just dey marry her. So and na graduate, so she get opportunity to get
to
job.
job.
Work.
You understand?
It's just matter of patience.
yes,
Obviously,
but
okay?
that patience no kukuma
You
come
no
dey.
fit wait.
Because they look am like say how e go be say na
Na only
him go
him.
dey do everything
for
for
house.
house. You know that kind of thing. So you get some people wey get that kind mind.
Mind.
Wey be say truly speaking na their self dem know.
No. No good.
If not you go leave woman wey dey breastfeed. Leave am like that. So wetin we dey talk now be say as the lady come stay for her parents house, e get one thing wey me I dey look. You know say na
Okay.
just their first pikin be that.
Mm.
The thing wey I come dey look be say e dey dangerous. You know think say e dey dangerous
Mm.
for her to say make him dey im own, make
I
she
dey
dey
my
her
own.
own, and na only one pikin dem get.
So e go dey dangerous because she go dey more open to the market.
So
That's what simply means.
Mhm.
E just mean say one uncle fit
Fit
see her,
Like her.
feel like her,
Na so
and she come on her own. Wey be say it's obvious that from wetin we don talk, e dey obvious say she still dey very young, and I'm sure she's very beautiful. Of course, you know we ladies we are actually very beautiful. And maybe she dey one place, dey see one fine uncle broshola wey don already set, wey ready for her. So and you wey dey there with your stingy heart. So it is well. We cannot decide for her.
Yes.
But let for me alone. That break actually she needs it because he actually need to go and settle down, make him think in life out well.
Yes.
Then that in character where he already grow up with possibly he got needs to settle down, re-strategize in life,
Yes.
make him dey balance.
And so.
oh, glory.
And if he late for am, talk.
Na the same thing o. He go sit down think am. He go
wetin
think am
like.
well before if he ready he go come back to the wife. If he no ready make he dey him own, make she dey her own. Me I know say anyhow e be na woman she be o.
Na
You
so
go see say anyhow she no go land.
she go move.
She no go stay hungry.
Sure.
She go move on with her life.
Sure.
Na wetin I fit tell you be that uncle. Change
So
your life.
na the program
Think
wey
well.
dey carry change your life, think well. Na the program wey dey carry come una way be that to pay for area to stay your own, make I stay my own because of small misunderstanding wey husband and wife come get. So if una get tori to give us, una fit call us for this number 08097991989. The program dey for different social media handle. We dey for YouTube, we dey for Instagram, we dey for TikTok, we dey for Facebook. If una wan get us, una go just type Procyon RTV. Procyon RTV. If una just type am, una go see us for our different social media handle. And every tori wey we put down, abeg make una like, make una subscribe, make una also share our tori. Make una no forget to comment. Abeg make una just help us do that one. Help us do that one, and God will bless you. Thank you very much, Gloria, for coming to the studio.
Thank you very
And
much.
thank you very much, Grace Adebayo, for coming
Thank
to
you.
the studio.
It's my pleasure.
My name na Sarah Agbon. Make una dey shine like the star wey una be.
Oh, cause.